Hey, what's up you guys? We are finally here at the BMW. I have our portable charger right here, thanks to Steven. The hood's popped up and I can't get to the access, or I can't access the battery in the back right. So you have access right here. There's plus right here, and then you have you can just put the negative anywhere. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright. So let's put this last. I like to put the negative first. So put the negative here, and we go positive here, however you want to clamp it. Oh, there we go. Let's double check that. Let's turn it on. Oh, there we go. So the key was already inside the car because I tried it on, or I tried to start it earlier and it would not start. And then so it locked the key in the oh, can I take off the key right now? Well, we have power, so that's good. We have power. Power is good. Power is great. We got power right here, see? It wasn't doing that earlier. So power there. What happens if I, let's see. Come on. Heck. Maybe some safety feature. Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another day. We kind of stopped working on the BMW because we didn't have all the right resources, and I was visiting some friends and stuff. But so I checked it today this morning, and I was checking the indicator light on the old one. You probably can't see it right now, but on the old one it was just black. This one is, there's a slight green to it, which is what you want. The green means it's fully, or it's, you know, it works, it's fine. And there's the black, which means it's insufficiently charged, and then you got the other one, which is like yellow, when it's like replaced. But these BMW batteries are good for 5 years, so it's already been 5 years because this car was bought 2015, it's 2020. So, you know, it fits the description criteria for a new battery. So we went ahead and went to BMW and we bought a new battery, and here it is. So we're gonna swap this in the, where it used to be, in the back right corner of the BMW. All right, when we install it, make sure you have this little bracket thing, because it's gonna go on the side here, and then it's gonna basically go right here. It's gonna go look like something like that, okay? And it's gonna hold down the battery. Okay, when you put it in, make sure you hook it in into there, and then so you're just gonna slide it in, and then you're gonna have the bracket. You're gonna seal it on the. There's gonna be a bolt right here. You're just gonna like cinch it in, like so. And you're just gonna. That's how it's gonna hold it in place. All right, make sure you move all the wires and stuff out the way so you have some room to work with. Just kind of like tuck it to the side. The negative is gonna go on this side, positive is gonna go on this side. Make sure the wires don't get crushed. Perfect. The wires are not crushed. Yep. Trust but verify. Okay, wires there. Perfect. Alright, so just go ahead and plug everything in. Plug this in here. Plug this guy in. The distributor. And it just clamps down on the side here. But make sure you open this up and line it up. Just snap right in. Yep, and it's snapped in. Easy. Okay. Blue goes with the blue. Then you got the black one here. And it goes with the far left. Okay. So then we need to put this here, but before then, why don't we put the bracket. Gives us some, well, we have some room
All right, it took me a little bit. I had to turn off the camera, but I finally got it. I had to scoot the battery up this way. I had to scoot the battery up towards the front, and then had to tilt it a little bit, and then I inserted the holder thing, and then I screwed it in a little bit with my hands, and now I scooted the battery back, and now I'm finally tightening the battery down. That took a lot. You gotta really have small hands to really make it work. I did not have that, so I had to scoot the battery forward in order for me to even get my hand in there. And I believe this is a 10. Yeah, you're definitely gonna need an extension. All right, not too tight to where you strip the bolts. You just need to hold it down. Then I'm gonna tighten it with the 13. Okay, it's tight. It's in there, I can close that. Now we gotta tighten these guys. This is a 10. It's a 10 socket. It's gonna be a little nut looking thing. Alright. Perfect, this one's going in. Alright. Thread it in a little bit, use your 10. And just, there we go. Tighten it down. There we go. And just tighten up. Perfect. So you don't strip it. Go ahead and close that. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Yep, same thing on this side. Make sure all this is plugged in. It's not gonna move on you. Should be good. Oh yeah, and don't forget to install your bracket back in. That holds it, like, cinches it down like this, okay? Make sure you put it back in, because that's what holds the battery in place from coming up and down. Alright, then you're gonna get your black one, and you're just gonna put it in there. And then you're gonna move this wire out the way, because it's, or for me at least, it's blocking the point where it's, there we go. Alright, now it's locked in. Perfect. Locked in, it's tight, and that's good to go. I'm not sure where this came from, but definitely not what we need right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and, now that we're done, let's go ahead and start the car. I'm gonna grab the keys, then we're gonna start the car. Oh, it works. Unlocked. So far it's a good sign. Earlier when I did it, it wasn't working. So here's the real test. We're gonna start it. Oh, that was a strong start. That was a good one. That was a good strong start. It works. Everything works. So I guess if you have the same symptoms, if for some reason when you put your key in, and you just hear it, you see the gauges kind of like move a little bit, the needles, and it doesn't want to crank. Maybe it's your battery, maybe it's an alternator, maybe some spark plugs, all the combinations to start a car. For me, it was the battery. The indicator light said it was a black color, so that means it was a battery insufficiently charged, and it was 5 years already, so you might as well change it. That could be you. But anyways, if you learned something, let me know in the comments what you learned. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya.